back with a new video. Today I was going to speak to you about the investment app called Stash. It's from Liberty Life, and let's get into it. Let's go to the website. This is Liberty Life. What is Stash? Stash is an investment that helps you invest in your future tax-free by saving small amounts of money every day by an app. You can invest as little as $5 a day. You're investing basically in the South Africa top 40 shares portfolio. And what the nice thing is, you have a cash portfolio, and then you have also the ones that is the top 40. Key features: Stash is free. There are no forms, no fees, and best of all, it is tax-free. There's basically a lot of features in the app. You can stash on a sunny day, stash when you sweat, stash in a tap. You can boost your stash also by the end of the month, so you put extra into the stash. And it shows here that you can stash your cash in the cash plus portfolio. Grows your money a little bit every day, gets about 4.5% effective annual growth rate until the 30th September 2020, and 3.5% thereafter, no matter what happens to the markets. Invest your stash into Africa's top 40 shares. The CEO of South Africa's biggest listed companies are working hard to make these companies grow. You get this performance and money in this companies pay the investors called dividends. And what I like also, you get dividends from this app. So let's go into the Spot app. You can find it on the Play Store. Just search Stash app, and there we go. Stash works with all the major banks, as you can see there: Standard Bank, Absa, FNB, Capitec, Discovery, Nedbank, Bidvest. I think, I'm not sure what that other icon is, but all the banks, basically all the major banks, invest a little every day into your free stash tax-free investment. Invest in cash or shares, or bid in both. There's full control of the amount you stash. Stash R5 on sunny days, 5 cents for every 100 steps, and when there is load shedding, access your money at any time. So obviously you can access your money at any time. It's just that you'll pay a penalty. Obviously, your maximum for the year is 36,000, and for the total you can invest up to $500,000, which is 500,000. But obviously, if you take out, that actually reduces that amount, which of 36,000, and you maybe invested 1,000, that will make it 35,000. So your yearly investment will be actually less. So it's not advisable actually to withdraw it, and to keep it, especially the plan is to keep it long term, and obviously it will work for you with you investing into the top 40 shares. That is obviously a long-term investment, which is about 20 plus years. You will see the growth on that investment. The cash plus, obviously something that is short term. If you do take it out of there, I think that will be fine. But I think when you take the money out from, you invested 100% in the top 40 shares, you are not going to see really growth. You take it all the money out, a portion of the money out, actually disturbs that growth for that money to grow. So the best is to invest long term, 20 years plus, and you'll see that investment grow. So let's go into the app. This is the Stash app. So it's a basic setup for the Stash app. What you can see is the 4 icons, and then you just click on the plus sign for how much you want to invest. If it's 20, 40, 50, 100, 200, 500. I think the max is 500. So let me just do as easy as should be by pressing stash. You can see that I invested 10 Rand into the stash app, and obviously it will run 24 hours for you to able to tap again to invest into your stash account. What you can do, these icons basically allows you to stash when it's sunny, stash when I sweat, stash if load shedding, stash with a 10-cent challenge. So I'll get back to that one. So let's get into the settings. So we can see here stash when there's load shedding. This is actually when it's load shedding, you can put on this feature which allows you, when there is load shedding, the app will pick it up, and then you can put in 5, 10, 20 Rand, 50 Rand, 100 Rand, you know, whatever amount that feels suitable for you. It will then go off your banking account. Boost my stash is basically at the end of each month. You maybe invested already 500 Rand into the stash app, but you want to put an extra end of the month. You can put an extra 1,000, whatever amount, extra 100, 200, 300, and so on. It actually just boosts your savings. Then we have split my new money. When you go into here, you can actually then choose what percentage you want your investment to be. So you can have it 75%, 25%. You can have 50-50, that's 50 for cash, 50 for shares. Or you can have cash 25%, 75% for shares, 100% in shares. So the choice is yours, which is also cool. As you see with the change, it shows you also the investment term, if it's fully in cash. If you go more to top 40 shares, you'll see 7+ years. I would also say 20+ years, just to see that good investment. You click on understanding this is not an advice, and then you click on split my money, a new money in. So that will make the change. Let me go back. Let's go back to settings to play. And basically, this is where you add your card, whatever bank you're banking with, you can add there. You can also choose then the limit that you want to add in this app for monthly. So yeah, and then your details, SAL number and email. Let's just go back, go sideways. Okay, that is the app here. If you go to cash out, you'll see there you have the cash out amount, 10 Rand. So if you invested in the cash plus, it will split it like I showed you with the percentage. You will then see maybe 10 Rand here and then 50 Rand in the top 40 shares, because it works out according to the percentage that you chose. You can cash it out. It'll take about 7 working days to reflect in your bank account. Your tax-free allowance is 36,000 before 28th February 2021. Cash out money can get the tax-free benefit. Can't get the tax-free benefit. So as you can see, you will lose a bit of tax-free benefit. Cashing out will stop your 10-cent challenge. Also, if you're part of the 10-cent challenge, that will stop that challenge. So let's just go into the 10-cent challenge, which is quite cool. Also, this basically works where you it will take from your bank account. When you go to start, you will see that challenge accepted. You will go there, and from the first day it will invest 10 cents, on the second day it will invest 20 cents, and so on every day. It will go, I think basically it will, for the app to take off certain amounts, you will actually have to reach about 20 Rand at least for the amounts to go off. So it won't be like 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents of your bank account, because that is not actually possible. So they will wait till it reaches about 20 Rand with all the functions that is in the app, with the sweat and the one for the load shedding, and it accumulates 20 Rand. Then that will then deduct it from your bank account. And then as you see, this is the months here, 1 to 12. As you see, you will see you going through the challenge. And then you also have awards here. We have badges that you will achieve. The first step is the first step to the investment, and as you go on, you will reach all the badges, which is also cool, you know, just to keep you motivated and to keep you on track. So that's the 10 cent challenge. Let's just go back, and basically if you want to invite a friend, you can do so. As you can see, that's my invite code. I will put it in the link in my description of my YouTube video. So you can use that link when you sign up, and you get 10 Rand and I'll get 10 Rand when you sign up. So that's the contact details. You want to contact them. This is all important stuff you want to know, questions and answers. That's all the information. You can run through it on the app, and it will should answer. If that doesn't answer any of your questions that you have, then you can basically just pop them an email and they would reply to you, and from there you can, you know, get going with investing and saving, which is very important for even for youngsters and young and old, for your future, obviously for retirement. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support that you're giving, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.